Are the R7030 earbuds a revolutionary audio experience or just another tech mirage? Let's find out. First, let's unbox these bad boys and see what we're working with. The packaging highlights features like active noise cancellation, extended battery life, and a sleek design. Promising, right? Design-wise, the R7030s sport a modern, ergonomic shape. The charging case is compact and feels pretty durable, easily fitting in your pocket. We will see if the sleek design translates to a comfortable listening experience. Let's talk comfort. The fit is snug and secure. Even during light exercise, we will test that later. Make sure to pick the right ear tip size for the perfect seal, which is essential for optimal sound and noise cancellation. Now, the sound. The R7030s deliver a balanced audio profile, with clear highs and decent bass. But are they audiophile grade? Not quite. The active noise cancellation does a decent job of blocking out ambient noise like chatter and traffic, but it struggles with louder sounds. It is good, not amazing. Battery life is as advertised, giving you around 6 hours of playtime on a single charge, with the case providing an additional 20 hours, perfect for daily commutes and longer listening sessions. So, what are people saying? Reviews are mixed. Some praise the sound quality and comfort, while others complain about connectivity issues and the effectiveness of the noise cancellation. Considering the price point, the R7030s offer a decent value for everyday users looking for a stylish and functional pair of earbuds. The verdict: the R7030 earbuds are not a scam, but also are not a revolutionary product. They are a solid mid-range option with some compromises. Worth it. Depends on your needs and budget. Do your research and see if they are the right fit for you.